Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very special one because it's a continuation of the mirror furniture pieces my husband made. You guys really enjoyed my last video and I'm so excited to share how to make your very own glam mirrored entryway table. If you're new here, welcome. I would love to have you part of our YouTube family, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified when I upload my next video. I love decorating and I get so many questions to where my decor is from, so when I can link something, I definitely will. In today's video, I partnered with ShopTagger. ShopTagger is my favorite web app to go to so I can save items from different stores I want to be notified when an item I want goes on sale. To download ShopTagger, all you have to do is hit the download button and this will bookmark to your web browser. You can save items that you want at the sale price you desire or be notified when an item comes back in stock. ShopTagger will notify you immediately through email. You can make lists to also help you stay organized with your shopping. For example, you can make a list for home decor, fashion, or makeup. Some of you guys still ask me where my diamond bookends are from, and they're from HomeGoods, but sadly they don't have an online website where I can just send you the link. Z Gallery does have the diamond bookends. They're just smaller than the ones I have, but are just as beautiful. This web app is so amazing, you guys. I highly recommend signing up with them and saving your items to your cart. Instead of checking back every day for an item you have been eyeing, this will notify you so you can make your shopping life easier, but most importantly, help you save money. I will leave the link in my description box to download ShopTagger, so make sure you check it out. Thank you so much, ShopTagger, for sponsoring this video. Now let's go ahead and make this glam mirrored table. We purchased this plywood at Lowe's, and with this wood you can build a coffee table, a side table, and an entryway table. I showed you guys in my last video how to make your table set, and today we're making the entryway table. I mentioned also in my last video that you'll have leftover wood that you can use for small projects, so this is exactly what you can use with that extra wood. The Lowe's associate was really nice to cut out so many pieces for us. He told us that they don't usually cut out this much per project, but he would do it for us. I hope you have someone nice to help you get all the cuts you need if you decide to make all 3 projects. The next items you will need is a drill or screwdriver, wood nails, black paint, a paintbrush, scissors, Gorilla Construction adhesive, marble contact paper which I got at Lowe's, and 24 mirrors from Dollar Tree. These are the pieces you will need to make the entryway table, and I will leave all the measurements in the description box. Starting off, my husband labeled each piece to make it easier to see where each piece will go. As you can see, this is the floor base, and I will go ahead and cut the contact paper to size and wrap it like a present. This is going to go on top of the floor base, and my husband went ahead and screwed the nails in. I will leave the measurements in the description box to let you know where each piece will go. This second part is right in the middle of the floor base, so make sure before you nail this down that there's an even space on both sides. He ended up going back to Lowe's for extra wood to add the back support because without it, it was wobbly, and this made it strong and secure. You can cover the entire back if you want to, but we decided to add this support on the top and bottom because our Dollar Tree mirrors would fit perfectly on here. You can cover the entire back with wood and add marble contact paper. That would look really pretty too. Now for the top, he will go ahead and screw the nails in, and our drill was acting up for some reason, so this works just fine as well. This shows you don't have to go out and buy a drill to make these projects. This piece is now ready to be nailed to the floor base, and here's how it looks with the nails in at the top. Here my husband is using Gorilla Construction adhesive to apply the mirrors on the side of the table. This glue is so strong that it holds as soon as you lay it against something. He repeated this all over the table and then painted the sides black. Make sure to paint the sides first before gluing the mirrors down. We almost forgot to paint first, so we stopped gluing the mirrors down and finished this step. Here's the entryway table, you guys. I'm so excited with how this DIY turned out. It was so much fun to make this and the outcome is really rewarding. I was really surprised when my husband said he would make an entryway table after making the table set in my last video. I'm so happy he made this and he has more ideas in mind that he wants to show you guys. I'm so proud of him. He's never built anything from plywood, so this is amazing for me to see. Let me know what you think of this table. I really appreciate all the wonderful feedback you guys gave us in my last video. If you have any requests on what you would love to see next, please let me know in the comment section and we will make it happen if it's a highly requested one. I think we are going to start a mirror furniture series, so give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more. I decorated the table a few different ways to give you an idea of how it would look if you wanted to recreate it for your home. This would also look beautiful in your room, dining room, or living room. The ideas are endless, and what it costs to make this mirror furniture piece is a lot more affordable than going to buy it in store. These pieces retail for hundreds and even thousands of dollars, so I encourage you to make this for your home if you love mirror furniture. You can take this as an idea to make your table and make it your own, perhaps with different contact paper, paint color, or other details. I really hope you're inspired today because that's always my goal here. If you recreate this or any other DIY I've done, please tag me on Instagram. It's LG Queen Home Decor. I would love to see. One of the ways I styled it is adding a flower vase, a candle in the middle to cozy up the space, a mirror box to put my keys in or anything little that I want to take when I leave the house. I also added a basket with a throw blanket and pillows to give you an idea if you wanted to style this in your living room or your very own room. Here I styled the entryway table with the same things, but I added a placemat in the middle and a candy jar. Let me know which style you like best out of the four I'm going to show you. This third style is my favorite because it's very simple but glam at the same time. I bought these candle holders years ago and they've been my favorite candle holders I've ever owned. They're really heavy and such great quality. I found them at 3 different Home Goods. I added LED lights so they automatically turn on at a set time each day, and I really enjoy having that. Thank you guys so much for all your continued love and support. It motivates me even more to keep sharing what I love. I'm very grateful to God for allowing me to be here and thankful my sister talked me into making my YouTube channel. I was scared at first, but you have to get out of your comfort zone sometimes to grow. I'm very blessed with this outcome, and today I encourage you to pursue your dreams. Dream big and have faith, because with God all things are possible. This concludes today's video. Thank you for being here, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you want to see next and we'll try to make it happen. Don't forget to download Shop Tagger. The link is in my description box. This is an awesome web app you should definitely have to help you shop smart and save money. I'll talk to you soon in my next video. Take care.